go. Me not business about that. Sorry guys. Guys, morphine make you not eat. So you see, like, if you say you feel for something, you get her. But if you say you feel for something, the nurse there, is there a nurse here? Rona, me tell her. You hear UP? Oh, me hear the, oh, me see them as say rest in peace. Happy wife sound like somebody were dead too, no? Wanna be honest. Guys, tap. Guys, be honest. Happy wife sound like somebody were dead too, no? She sound dead? Full of life. You hear me telling you? But me telling you, say mommy is a fighter. Yeah, it's been a while they have been doing it. They have been doing it for for months. The first time I see them say RIP was in February. Them I do it for months, guys. But you know what? I mean, I don't know what to say. Man. I'm not playing no matches, man. I can't be bothered. Guys, thank you so much for the gifts. I really appreciate it. Rona, I don't know what wrong with them. I don't know. Thank you. Alright, me I block you. Cause me I overdo it. Me. Tell me the truth, me. You think you overdo it, me? Or you work for one prize? Thank you, Sonia. Or you work for one prize, me? Your mom said some hurtful things about Chris kids. Me I block you. Cause me don't know what me must do about that now, my love. My love. Me. What me must do about that? From I born. Let's see. Block. Confirm. Block this keyword from your lives. You know. Guys, let me telling you something. I'm gonna know if you don't understand. You see, Carla, I only can do what I can do. Guys, I can't do more than what I can do. I can't fix big people. I can't choose to big people. I only can control myself. And you see, because I only can control myself, that I do. I control myself. I try my best. I did it for mommy. I did it for Chris. I did it for Gaina. I did it for Bambino. I did it for everybody. I stretch my little self thin. I remember saying I have my own life with my own set of problems. Right? But me still extend myself. Now, guys, me have to be mindful as well for my mental health. Because remember, say outside of that, the world still a go round and round and round and round and round. Right, Marlene, don't take no stress from no one. No, Marlene, me have to protect my mental health. Because you know what, Marlene? This too pass and it shall pass. And when it pass, me gonna need to take care of my little ones them when I have. You get what I mean? I have to be able to take care of my little ones them when I have. So because of that, I have to pace myself. I try my best for for everybody, but you see certain things, I not take up. So say mommy say something bad about you. The most me can do, I mean I say something bad about you, but me can't stop with somebody else I gotta say about you. If you get what I mean. Right, Judy. And Judy, my children are young. So I have to live. You know? I have to live, Judy. I have to live. I have to live. I don't have a choice. Because you see, when you pass away, leave your children, Judy, when them young, them butter around and them suffer. I'm buying up that in the name of Jesus. Not even the thought me no want. Chris? Hello? No? Yeah? Mommy? Mommy? What should I say? Ignore her. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. That's ignore her. Yeah, bring her. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. And guys, me I tell you one little secret. You know who a mommy karma? Oh, you not hear me? Oh, me think you didn't hear me. Me I said the only person who can calm happy wife is me. The only person. Guys, you see, no matter how, like, even from we younger, no matter how mommy we go on bad, the only person who can calm her down and me. From me one little girl. And I realize that now, you see when she a misbehave, or if she feels some type of way, the only person. White low. I don't know white low. Oh, you not hear me now? So mic check, mic check, mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check, 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4. Guys, again I cuss me say I love run joke, but it's not a matter of run joke, you know, guys. I say if me not run joke, I'm gonna mad out. You understand? So I have to keep my little keep my little self active. Guys, me can't bother playing a match. But as me I say from me younger, if a one person can calm down mommy, always me. And since now, always me. Can calm her down, or calm her. You hear me telling you? Can calm her down. No matter how mommy are gone. You hear me telling you? Say she act bad. Guys, sorry for declining the request, but I'm not playing a match tonight. Here? No matter how she are going bad, if I call her, she go chill. The woman they see. No, I never know bad Chris got my fight. Guys, you know so on a fretty. On a fretty like Gaina. On a fretty. On a fretty. Eh? On a fretty. Why? I never nothing bad. Guys. Only so pretty. Eh? Guys, we have to be strong. We have to be strong, man. Be courageous and be of good courage. Guys, right now, to how mommy call me often and to how Chris call me immune. You understand? And ain't nothing bad. The man say because most people are like Thomas, they're doubtful. When they act like Gainer, so Gainer stay now. Gainer say, Carla, stop laughing. But guys, let me tell you, sometimes you have to laugh. No matter how your situation bad, you have to laugh. You understand? Laugh. Thank you, Jamaican girl. Marsha, you're strong. Marsha, I don't have a choice. Mighty God, a God, you know? Thank you, Bless. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So, guys, I'm not hear her. This is she alive and being a regular self. And guys, thank you so much for the support on my videos, to my Facebook family. Thank you to my Facebook families. Mwah. You guys are the best. Thank you to my TikTok family. Guys, you are the best. You know, my numbers are grow. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for loving mommy so much. You know, when I love a stranger, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for Gainer. Gainer has been such a comfort to me, you know. Me and I in the same boat. Hey, Michelle. Thank you so much to Chris for all that him do for mommy. God is the greatest. Thank you to my little children, you know, that I have. They have been really nice to me. Really nice. Bye guys. Good night guys, and sleep well. Later.